Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. Here we go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page, you will search about EWA app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.